Good evening. Today we are going to see how to get a query. Suppose I want to get a query for the requisitions. I want to know the tables which is underlying for the requisition. For that, we can create agents, but it has only limited capabilities to get the query, and I will show how to do it. Okay. In my previous videos. I show how to create agents, but I can explain how to do it in. Okay. So for that to create agents, you have to go to my client groups and go to show more. Then I will only give the navigations. You can configure your agents here. Okay. Uh, After that, you have to attach these agents to the guided learning. Okay, guided journeys. Okay. So that is the process. So I created one agent for my requisitions. I will show that. One minute. So 1 minute. I will. Some problem is that. Okay. Go to procurement and go to purchase requisitions new. So you can just put a high here. So I will ask some questions. The tables for requisition. Better. Okay. So it is giving so your requisition address all and give the requisition ID, everything here. Like that, I want to um, want requisition by item. Okay. Numbers. Okay. Group by item. Okay, I can say. But it is a very limited capability now. So I am trying to do for dynamic one also. We go here. So I will get the queries like that. Okay. So this is a way to create your local. So I want to get how to create queries and how to develop queries, and we can upload our local document, and I can get the required results in and guided journeys. Okay. So if you have any doubts in these type of things, please get me on that so that I can reply back. Thank you.